Hello, I am Ben Allegre, a marketing intern here at HCDC, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add HCDC to your LinkedIn profile. First things first, log on to LinkedIn. Wait for it to load up, and once it does, you can find your profile over here on the left. Go ahead and give it a click. Notice my bio right here. We do not want this to change once we update our experiences. Go ahead and scroll down to experiences and hit this plus arrow to add a new one. First thing it's going to ask is for a title. There are several different titles that can be associated with HCDC. Some of these include employee, HCDC member company, mentor, or sponsor. For me, I'm an intern, so that's what I'm putting. My employment type is part-time, but perhaps if you're a member company, this would be self-employed. The company is HCDC in Cincinnati, Ohio. I'm still working in this role, so I'll leave that checked. I started here back of May of 2021, and I'm still in this role. Now, this is a very important part. You do not want your bio to change. Notice here how update my headline is already checked. And you can see here that intern at HCDC would be all that my bio says instead of all of this. Be sure to click out of this box to avoid this. Once you've clicked out of that box, add a description about what you do at HCDC. Perhaps if you're a member company, you can write about how resources such as morning mentoring have been helpful in your business development. You can add a link to your website or a picture of your company if you'd like. Whatever may give more description as to what it is that you do and HCDC does for you. Click Save. Notice here how intern is put twice because I have already updated my experience with HCDC. Scroll up, confirm that your bio has not changed, and it has not for me, so I'm good to go. I would encourage you to share this experience update with your network so other HCDC members are encouraged to update theirs the same. Thank you and have a nice day.